Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu JEE English. I'm Diksha, your chemistry master teacher. So guys, I have been seeing that when I was teaching you regarding JEE, right, students were asking, ma'am, after this we have our VITEEE EEE exam and please bring something for us, right? So here I have done my best for all of you, right? So today, firstly, let's talk a bit about VITEEE EEE. Let's talk about what I am going to give you as a gift for your VITEEE EEE exam. Yes, everybody, all my students out there, yes, it is Vellore Institute of Technology. Yes, Arjun. So all my students out there, all my students who are giving VITEEE EEE exam, just spam it in the chat box, VITEEE EEE. I want all of you to spam it in the chat box so that I can know what are my students who are also applying for VITEEE EEE exam. And let me tell you, if you have already applied for that, that was one of the best decisions that you have made here, right? Because when I talk about VIT, Vellore Institute, Vellore Engineering College, right? So it was established in 1984. Like, it is like very good NIRF ranking here. You can see Vellore Institute of Technology ranking is 14th in university. In research it is 14, engineering it is 16, overall it is 21. You can see this over here, right? It's Tamil Nadu. You can see Vellore Institute of Technology has 16. It is on the 16th ranking, right? So it is a very prestigious college where you can expect around here, students, you can see 8 VIT students got 39 lakh job, 39 per annum lakh job, right? And 2 VIT students got package of 1 crore, and here they got package in Microsoft, which is itself a big deal, right? So if you have applied for it, that is the best decision that you have already made. It is startup supported, fund raised by startup, product launch. So many things happens here. It is full of opportunities. It is an ocean of opportunities. And to all my students out there, right, if you were not able to, let's say your JEE main score is not good, then this is like this is your saving guardian that you have for you, right? Because this institute is very prestigious. The packages are good, the opportunities provided are good, right? And it is easier to crack as compared to JEE mains, right? So that's what I wanted to tell you here. So let's talk about its semester abroad programs. Also you will get to do your research projects abroad as well. You can see in Switzerland, USA, this university has partnership with Africa, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Europe, UK, Middle East, West Asia, North America, South America, right? So you can actually do your research work or your project, right, abroad as well, right? So this is one of the best things that has happened in Bangalore. You will see basically it has 5 campuses. You can see Tamil Nadu, right, VIT Vellore, VIT Chennai, then VIT Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, VIT EP Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, VIT Bangalore, Karnataka, right? So you even if you get admission into any of the VIT, it is equally good here, right? So you can see these are the branches that are provided to you. You can take a screenshot of this one, right? You can take a screenshot of all the prestigious branches you can see over here, right? You can see artificial intelligence and machine learning, right? Cyber physical system, right? Artificial intelligence and robotics, right? Cloud computing and automation, gaming technology. So you can see it is like full on, they are focusing on today's trend, right? What is going on, because in today's market, engineering, it is very difficult to find jobs, right? That is why this institute is actually focusing on all these things, right? So you can see this over here, artificial intelligence and cybernetics, right? Biomedical engineering, right? Then you can see, yes, so these are all the topmost engineering that you have here, right? Now if I talk about its examination, the examination which is going to happen in 28th April to 3rd of May is your VIT exam? So all the students tell me in the comment section, when is your exam? 28th May. I am saying 28th April to 3rd of May, you have your VIT Triple E exam. Let me know in the comment section, when is your exam? Also, let me know everybody, because that's how I can help you, right? I can only help you if you can tell me when is your exam, how many students are preparing for that, what is your weak point, only then I can provide you with the help. Right now we got to know it's a very prestigious institute, and this examination is conducted by, it's a Vellore Institute of Technology only, and it is lower as compared to JEE mains, right? The level is slightly lower as compared to, so I can see 3rd of May, 29th, ma'am. Okay, yes, very good. Yes, very good. Yes. So now let's see. It has not come, is it? It has not. If the admit card is not still there, then you will not know, obviously, right? So candidates should be registered. This also we have done. And let me just tell you what is important for your exam, because some students, they just apply for VIT Triple E. Tell me how many of you have just applied for VIT Triple E and you have no idea what is exactly there in the exam. You have prepared for, because I have seen students are preparing for JEE mains and they have applied for other examinations, right? Now, JEE mains and VIT Triple E has a different strategy that you need to work on, right? So that is why firstly you need to understand what are the exams, what are the subjects they will ask you, right? So if you see this here, it has physics, chemistry, mathematics or bio, depending upon what kind of exam you will be giving and from which stream you are in. If I see here, mode of examination is computer based exam. It is a CBT exam. Duration is 2 hours 30 minutes. Medium of the exam is English. Type of questions are MCQ questions, right? That is how it is easier as compared to, there is no integer questions here. Section is maths or bio, depending upon what you choose. Then physics, then chemistry, and there is additional aptitude and English, which I'll be teaching you. Don't worry about that. I'll take all the sessions here, like aptitude and English as well. Now, how the marks are divided, let's talk about that. Overall number of questions are 125, and you will see VIT Triple E exam 2026 sees major change. The total marks for this 125 to 500 marks here. So what is the thing? The questions are 125, but each question has 4 marks here. And they have also introduced negative marking, right? They have also introduced negative marking here. That means you will get plus 4 marks for every correct answer and minus 1 marks for every wrong answer, right? So that's why you need to prepare now even better for your VIT Triple E exam, because there is negative marking. Selection will matter here, right? Now overall, for each correct answer you will get 4 marks, and that is why overall marks are 500, right? If you see how it is divided into subjects, you can see in maths number of questions are 40. In physics it is 35. In chemistry it is 35. Right? In English it is 5 questions, and trust me, you can easily do this. If you have an average English, you can do this particular part. And I'll also teach you the questions of how they ask you questions in English as well, what they ask you. I'll give you like this 5 marks, I'll teach you. Right? Don't worry about that. Now, when you talk about aptitude, this also I will teach you here. This also I will teach you, and this too, definitely I am a chemistry teacher, so I am going to teach you 35 questions, like most predictable questions of chemistry. These 3 things I will take care of, right? But ma'am, the question is, ma'am, what about ma'am physics and maths? So for that, I need one thing from you. What is that? See, I am trying my level best. I am literally talking to teachers here of physics, maths. See, it is not easy to find out teachers of the level of Shreya sir and Namrata ma'am, right? You know this better, right? They were excellent teachers. They are excellent teachers, right? So I want the best for you, right? I am looking for the best teachers right now. Best physics teacher, best mathematics teacher to teach you. and we are talking to like multiple teachers out there. Trust me, how much, like my, in the day 3 or 4 hours I'm doing this only. I'm talking on LinkedIn, talking to people, right? Now then I have to pass also whether they are even qualified to teach you or not, right? So a lot of efforts right now from the past week, 1 week, I'm putting into to bring out the best physics and mathematics teacher for you, but still it is in processing, right? And I have asked Vedantu team. I've asked a request. I have made to the team that please for VITEE EEE students really need maths and physics teacher as well. Even if they teach only questions, that also will be enough. Now our only the teachers who are right now in our like in Vedantu, right, in our environment, that are right now in Vedantu, they are very occupied because they are focusing on their batches, their YouTube are going on currently. So that is their main priority, to convince the teachers to come here and teach physics and mathematics is actually getting very tough for me right now. So that is why uh, all I need from you is write it down in the comment section that physics and mathematics teacher needed. If you will give the comments, I can show it to the team. I'll be very clear with you guys. I can't tell that for two students there is no comment, there is no student is demanding physics and maths. Then teachers will be like, why I will put extra effort? Why the teacher who is already in so many batches and already doing their own thing, right? Because they already have students, right? So they are focusing on their exam, right? To teach in English here, right, to come here, I need to convince them, and for to convince them I also need your help here, right? So I can only help you if you help me. If you write it down in the comment section that yes, we need physics and mathematics teacher, I can show it to the team that this is actually in demand, and please bring out teachers, right? So that we can do it fast. Otherwise, see, hiring process takes time. Right now you are not doing job, right? I'm doing job, and hiring process takes time because Vedantu hires the best of the teachers, right? So that is why it will take time. First you will take interview, will take demo, will see, will take a exam whether they are able to crack it or not. After that the hiring will happen, right? So it's a long process. That is why I have to ask our internal teachers only to take a class here for VITEE EEE, right? And that is why you are the only one that can push, you know uh, the team to do that, right? For that I can help you, but if you ask me to, right? So that is why these three things I will take care of. These two things I am trying my best, right? I am giving all my like efforts here, I am putting, right? I cannot teach maths, guys. I cannot teach physics, guys. I am not equipped for that, right? I have studied physics and maths 10 years back. So if I teach you physics and maths, I'll ruin your exam. I'll teach you excellent chemistry. I'll teach you, like, I guarantee that these 35 questions I will teach you, right? All the questions will be where from what I have taught you, from the topics what I have taught you. This English also I can guarantee that, okay, because this is also a pattern, right? This aptitude also I can guarantee that I will do hard work, right, for you, because I have, like, when I was giving competitive exam, I have studied aptitude as well. So I will study for you, don't worry, I will do that, I will put those efforts. But these two, though, it is impossible for me to teach you. For that you need to ask in the comment section that we need it, then I will provide you, right? Because also I, yeah, you got it now. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now then mathematics, this is all like different degrees. That for mathematics you will go in BTech degree program, right? And for biology, physics, chemistry, English, aptitude, only for BTech bio stream degree program. I think this is not valid for you. This is valid for you, those students who are taking maths here, right? Okay. If you ask me, I can also bring bio teacher here if there are students for bio as well, right? We have an excellent teacher, Gopika ma'am, for bio, right? I can definitely ask her to take one session of biology here, but these things I can only ask the teachers to take out time. See, teachers are already busy in their batches. I can only request them, and that request I need to show them something, right? I need to show them students are asking this thing. Only then, right? If they come here, they take out time from their busy schedule, and here there is no student, right? Then it will definitely be not good as as uh, as a teacher that I have done for you. Then it will be like I am, forcing other teachers to come here, but students are not studying, right? So that will not be good. So yeah. And if you see this here, guys, this is a syllabus: physics, chemistry, maths. Now I know you are thinking, ma'am, give us the full-fledged syllabus. So on Sunday, I'll be bringing top topics, full-fledged syllabus. Also, I will give you each topic. I'll give you which will be repeated in physics, maths, and chemistry. I've already talked. The teachers that I'm telling now, I'm talking to teachers, right? So it is not they are saying that we can provide you like repeated topics, right? They are saying we can provide you repeated topics, you can give it to the students, but right now they are not convinced to take the class here, right? So they are saying if the students are saying if there are like 100 200 students in the class, then we can take, otherwise it's not possible to take out time, right? So that is why I'm telling you that I have asked maths and physics teacher of some other channel to give me the list of important topics, right, of physics and maths. And chemistry I will do myself. I will like scan all the, like tomorrow I'm going to like go through full-fledged your PYQs and do your proper analysis, right, of how what topics are being repeated in VITEE EEE. And also in aptitude and English, what they ask you. See, in aptitude they ask you data interpretation, data sufficiency, syllogism, then number series, coding and decoding, clocks, calendar, and direction. So we'll talk about this as well. I'm going to take one session on this as well, right? Okay, but don't waste my energies, guys, right? If I'm taking that session for you now, you also have to be present here, because you are asking again and again about VITEE EEE, and I don't do half-heartedly things, right? I do proper things. Either I'll bring proper things for you, or I will not do anything, right? So that's why it was taking me time, right? Why? Because I have gone through this full aptitude and English, if I can teach you this or not, and I'm sure that I can teach you. That's why I'm saying this to you, right? In English, they ask comprehension of short passages or line poems, English grammar, pronunciation, then lines of poems, dialogues, grammar, pronunciation items chosen to suit the level of higher secondary or equivalent. That means your 12th class level, they will ask you English regarding that. Right? Okay. So now if I see, it is definitely easier as compared to JEE mains and advanced. That is why it is easy to crack VITEE EEE. Right? So that is the reason I am telling you again and again that put your 100% potential. Your exam is starting from 28th of April here, right? You have enough time. You have already given JEE mains exam. You have enough time. Yes, there are some chapters that I'm going to tell on Sunday. I'll go live on Sunday, right? Sunday, I will go live at 7 p.m., right? Sunday, I will go live at 7 p.m., right? Mostly, I will go live on at 7 p.m. only, unless and until there is some emergency. I'll go live at 7 p.m. only, right? So on Sunday at 7 p.m., I am going to tell you about the difference of JEE mains and VITEE EEE syllabus. Like if you have gone through maths syllabus, you have gone through chemistry, you have gone through physics, ma'am, what are the extra chapters that I need to study? That is the first question of students, right? English and aptitude is extra, but in physics, maths, and chemistry, what are the chapters that are there in JEE mains but not there in VITEE EEE, right? What are the chapters that are not there in JEE but they are there in VITEE EEE, right? That is the first thing. Now the new chapters that are not there in JEE mains but they are there in VITEE EEE, do you even need to do that? Out of that, which is the most frequently asked topic? Like if I say one thing, if I say in chemistry, if I say polymers, now polymers is not there in your JEE mains. It is there in your VITEE EEE. Now what you will do? Now ma'am, do I even need to study it? Do they ask questions from this? How many repeated questions they ask? From polymers, what are the topics that they ask, right? Similarly, in physics and maths, we'll talk about all these things on Sunday, and that is going to be a very, very important session for all of you. And as I told you, top questions of VITEEE. Firstly, I'll start with physics. I will start with physical, inorganic, and organic chemistry, right? And I'll also show you the sessions over here. Wait, let me just show you the sessions over here. Wait, I'll just show you the sessions over here. If you can see, just go to Vedantu JEE English, right? Okay. Go to the live section here, right? So already I have posted this. If you want the same for physics and maths, then just spam it down in the comment section, right? In the comment section, spam it in the comment, because comment I can show it to the team, right? Today, trust me, how much I have talked, only I know, right? How much efforts it takes me to convince each and every person that please bring me, because I am the only person right now. I am a one woman army right now on this channel. So to bring the best for you, I also need to have, your support for that. So if you see, top 30 most expected questions of inorganic, then physical, then organic chemistry we will do. If here you show full support, that means you are like, here ma'am, yes, because I am doing this for you. I am not getting out anything out of this, but I am doing this properly for you. If you come here, and then I will show it to the team, to the physics and maths teacher, that yes, the students are actually in need of it. Please help us, right? So that only I can do. I can only request students. I can only request other teachers, and I'm sure there are teachers who can help us in this. I'm just hopeful for that. I'm just hoping for that, right? Okay, yes. Okay, so you just need to spam it in the comment section, because tomorrow again I have a meeting, right? Tomorrow, bacha, again I have a meeting, and tomorrow it will be the deciding factor, right? So please, whatever you can write, how many comments you can do here, share it with, like, just share it with your friends also, and ask them also, write it down in the comment section, maths and physics teacher needed, right? Then I will definitely arrange this for you. It is going to be tough for me. I know that. I'm still giving you that commitment, but I will try my best, right? In today meeting also, now little bit conviction I have shown, right? Then little bit I was able to convince, but not still your end, the demand from your side is still needed. That is still needed, right? I'll be very clear with you, right? Okay, yes. Chal. Okay then, students, now I'll take your leave, right? And on Sunday, right? On Sunday, I'll see you all. What we are going to do on Sunday, I'm going to take a session on VITEEE, and very important session this is. I'll talk about full physics, chemistry, maths, right? I'll also talk about bio here. Those students who are giving bio as well, I'll also talk about physics, chemistry, and aptitude and English. I'll talk about all these things here, full syllabus. What are the topics that you should do? Because only 20 days are left now, hardly not even 20 days. You can expect 15 days only, right? So only 15 days are left. In these 15 days, what you can do so that you score well in your VITEEE exam, so that you can secure your admission in VITEEE, Law University, right? Okay, yes. Okay then, bacha, bye bye, take care, see you all. This is Diksha Kaushal signing off. Do spam it down